Hey guys, so this video will be about how to use the MACD indicator and get around 20 to 30% returns in a small period of time, right? Most of you must be knowing about how to use these lines, but there's also one important factor which you're missing out, which is this histogram or the bars which you're seeing in the MACD indicator, right? So right away, let's get into it. How do you use it? It's first of all, you need to change the time frame to 1 day, right? For the highest accuracy, I would choose 1 day, and then go to indicators and just search MACD over here, which I've already selected in MACD. If you're wondering what website I'm using TradingView, which for my analysis is very good. Right now, how do you use it? First of all, you need to combine it with the price action. If you're seeing, since October 2018, it has been taking a great support in this trend line, right? So whenever the price always tried to come in this part over here, as you can see, it always tried to bounce back. And how do we confirm it that with MACD indicator that it could fall even more or it would rise from here, is basically by seeing, if I just zoom it out, that the divergence was right over here, right? If you can see that MACD gave a divergence, basically, which means that the blue line crossed the red line from bottom towards the upside, so the prices go up. Now the important thing you need to understand is the histogram which you are seeing, which is the bars, right? The bars are of light color and dark color as well. So the darker the green candle is, it shows that the higher the price would continue to move on. It basically shows the strength, right? And the lighter the color gets, the weaker the price goes above, right? So this is the color thing which you need to understand for the MACD indicator. Similarly with the red candles as well, for the MACD indicator, as you can see, first of all, MACD gave a divergence over here. The blue line crossed the red line from up to the bottom onwards, and the price started moving down. And what do you see with the histogram over here? That first of all, the first half of these red candles were dark in color, and so it started falling on pretty bad over here, right? Pretty steep. And after that, these candles started to turn out to be light, which shows an indication that the trend might change in the future, right? And these, as soon as they changed, first of all, the price started consolidating, and right after that, MACD tried to give a divergence. The blue line crossed the red line from the upside movement, and the prices started to went up, right? If you just check out the profits over here, whenever the MACD divergence was happening, it was around over here at 2000 rupees to around 2600 rupees. So it is a profit of around 30 to 40% returns, right? And similarly over here as well, for 2000 rupees to around 2400 rupees over here with the MACD divergence, and sell it when the MACD divergence cuts from below. So this is all for the video, guys. I hope you understood. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon notification for regular market updates. Check out my other videos which is there on stock market analysis, indicators, and technical analysis, fundamental analysis as well. Until next time, guys, happy investing and bye bye.